Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Vijayanagaram location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. I am going to provide all the links in the description box for the job roles mentioned in this video. If you want to apply, you please check once. Coming to the video, firstly, there is a job opening for the team leader F&B and it is from Novotel Hotels. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you are responsible for overall supervision, planning, control and coordination of all activities of the team engaged in the operations of the department. And you have to ensure that the food and beverages prepared and served in the assigned area and are according to standard recipes and with excellent quality. And you have to ensure to attend to guest complaints, requests or inquiries regarding the services and any matter which may affect the interest of Nodal Vishakhapatnam Varun Beach should be brought to the attention of the management. These are some responsibilities for this position. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the banquet manager. It is from Novotel Hotels. For this position, the responsibilities will include like you are responsible for maintaining a strong client relationship and ensure that all banquet specifications are communicated to and executed by all departments. And you have to ensure to oversee banquet events, manage the team and allocate responsibilities to the team. And you have to coordinate and supervise the execution of all banquets to ensure clients' specifications and are adhered to the and that the banquet runs smoothly and efficiently. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. For more detailed information, you will please check once in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening from Swiggy. They are looking for sales manager. And if you see the desired candidate profile for this position, you should be a graduate with 2 years plus experience in sales domain and you should have good working knowledge and experience of e-commerce activities and all online marketing channels and you should be confident placing on a go-getter personality and you should have effective communication skills, attitude and aptitude for sales and you should be a team player working alongside people from all walks of life and you should have analytical and good Excel skills and leadership and influencing skills like identify, builds and use a wide network of contacts with people at all levels, internally and externally, and you have to achieve a good result through a well-planned approach. This is the desired candidate profile for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive. It is from Novotel Hotels. And if you see the job responsibilities, you have to plan and initiate action plan to approach and secure a new business for the organization. And you have to determine effective and productive sales programs and relationship building with all the current and prospective customers. And you have to update and upgrade knowledge and awareness of the facilities provided by the Novotel Vishakhapatnam Varun Beach and you have to assist the sales manager in execution of sales plans and strategies. These are some responsibilities for this position I have included here. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the executive housekeeper. It is from Novotel Hotels. And if you see the skills required for this position, you should have leadership skills that utilize persuasion and motivation to attain organizational goals is the most desirable management quality and followed by honesty, integrity, ethical behavior, tactfulness, openness and cultural awareness and you should have ability to think strategically, inductively and creatively and the uh, propensity to recognize and acknowledge other person's ideas. These are some skills required for this position and if you see the job responsibilities, You are responsible for the overall day-to-day management of the housekeeping department and to direct and control the housekeeping operations and the staff of the housekeeping departments and oversee and direct all the aspects of all housekeeping activities in order to ensure the standards of hygiene and cleanliness are maintained. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position and the skills also. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the catering sales manager and it is also from Novotel Hotels. And if you see the job responsibilities, you have to plan and initiate action plan to approach and secure new business for the organization and to determine effective and productive sales programs, and you should have relationship building with all the current and prospective customers, and you have to update and upgrade knowledge and awareness of the facilities provided by Novotel Visakhapatnam Varun Beach, and you have to identify prospects for sales deals within targeted markets of the assigned areas or segment and also prepare and conduct sales presentations in coordination with the sales manager. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the relationship manager. It is from Exide Life Insurance. And if you see the skills and knowledge and qualifications required for this position, like you should have 2 to 4 years of work experience in direct sales with at least 2 years of experience in life insurance, and you should be a graduate with sales background, and you have to demonstrate competence in target marketing to specific prospects, and you should have good influencing and negotiation skills, and you should be mobile savvy and must carry an Android phone, and you must have a two-wheeler, and your age should be below 30 years. These are some skills, knowledge and qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the medical coding associate. For this position, freshers also can apply, and it is from Resolve iTech Corporations. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you have to notify or verify with physicians on all the changes and charges made, and you have to update changes after physician's acknowledgement, and you have to experience in a healthcare environment and ability to produce spreadsheets and correspondence using Microsoft Excel and Word, and you should be familiarity with healthcare software and familiarity with medical terminology like CPT, ICD, HCPCS. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the branch manager direct channel. It is from Skill Venture, a leading talent research firm. And if you see the job responsibilities, like you have to manage 8 to 12 relationship managers who will work on leads generated by a telesales unit, and you have to generate referrals from every visit, overall build a pipeline of prospects using a direct sales channel, and you have to bring in best practices to offer excellent experience while onboarding customers, and you have to maximize sales productivity of the team and achieve sales targets, and you are responsible for branch units, and you have to provide in the field support to direct reports by joining them on calls and providing coaching and feedback based on performance, and finally you are also responsible for capacity building at branch level. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the front office executive. It is from Jet Staffing Solutions. For this position, the qualifications will include like you should be graduate in any discipline, and you should have excellent communication skills, and for this English language is mandatory. And if you see the experience required, like year experience HS front office executive, and to receive calls and queue extensions and monitoring officers and hospitality, and you have to look after inward and outward documents and registers to be maintained. MS Excel, MS Word is mandatory skills. Connecting of calls like that, and here are not also given. like only immediate joiners are preferred. Interested candidates, you can please check in the description box for the link for more detailed information on to apply. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.